Okay, this is a quick demonstration of CNC4PC dual MPG setup put on the Grizzly 602 lathe. It has multiple functions, and what I find the best is when I set up my X1 to increment in 0.001 per detent, which is 1/1000th of an inch, and the Z. Alright, here's a quick demonstration. This is in the low speed. You can barely see it moving. If I put it in an X10, which is 1/1000th inch per detent, I get a nice response. Very much as the mechanical lathe. There's the Z-axis, works well. And if I put it into 10 thousandths per detent, it moves very fast. And I could easily see the limits of this computer. I normally leave it at ×10, which I find very useful in setting up and operation. It also has other functions which I haven't really set up yet or configured yet, but it works well. The e-stop definitely is an asset because it's close by.